the material which is surrounded to this filter, horizontal filter, above this horizontal filter it is surrounded by embankment soil, that is called base material. समजलं बेस मटेरियल म्हणजे काय? When the ratio of this DIS of filter to D85, D15 of filter, D15 of filter to D85 of base material does not exceed the value 4 to 5, should be less. So in that case, the base material is prevented from passing through the pores of the filter. The base material is prevented from passing through the pores of the filter when this value is less than 4 to 5, ratio of D15 of filter to D85 of base material. Similarly, when the ratio of D15 of filter to D15 of base material is more than 5, between 5 to 40, here it is given, when it is greater, D15 of filter to the D15 of base material. When it is greater, the seepage forces within the filter are controlled up to permissible small magnitudes. In this case, the seepage forces within the filter are controlled up to permissible small magnitudes. समजलं? Multi-layered filter, generally 3 layers consisting of materials of increasing permeabilities from the bottom to top are many times provided. Multi-layer filters are which are provided from the bottom to top many times. They are called inverted filters. त्या फिल्टरला काय म्हणायचं? Inverted filters. The layers, the multi-layer filters which are provided in generally in 3 layers. So they are placed one above the another. Multi-layer filters are provided, which are known as inverted filters. Like I mentioned, inverted filters. So these filters are costlier and that should be avoided where possible. These multi-layered filters are costlier. Minimum total thickness of filter is 1 meter. If the sufficient quantities of filter material are available at reasonable cost, then the thicker layers of filters may be provided. If the cost is sufficient, if it is reasonable, then thicker layers of filter may be provided. The minimum total thickness of filter is provided is 1 meter. The thicker layer, the greater the permissible deviation from the filter requirements. If the thickness of the layer is more, then permissible deviation from the filter requirements. So according to this equation, filter criteria, the design of filters is done, that is given by this ratio D15 of filter divided by D85 of base materials, which should be less than 4 to 5, and D15 of filter divided by D15 of base material, that should be greater than 4 to 5. This D15 of filter divided by D15 of base material should be greater than 4 to 5. These are the conditions. This is the criteria for providing the filter, for designing the filters. समझला? समझला का design of filters? Then protection of upstream slope protection, upstream slope and downstream slope. how is to be protected against erosion? Slope protection. Protection first, in that protection of the upstream slope. The upstream slope of the earthen dam is protected against the erosive action of waves by stone pitching, or by stone dumping. That is shown in this diagram. upstream side जे upstream slope है, that is protected against the erosive action of the waves of the water. The continuous water will strike or upstream side. Continuous erosion will take place. To avoid that, this protection to the slope is provided. तो इसे क्या प्रोवाइड केलेला आहे? बॉटमला concrete toe wall is provided. Above that, these dump stones called riprap, which are placed over this concrete toe in inclined direction, which having thickness 1 meter, आणि खाली ग्रॅव्हल फिल्टर आहे, थिकनेस 0.3 मीटर. त्याच्यावर हे स्टोन्स डम्प केलेले आहेत. थिकनेस किती आहे? 1 मीटर. और एंटायर अपस्ट्रीम स्लोप टू अवॉइड इरोजन ड्यू टू वेव ऍक्शन. इरोजन होऊ नये म्हणून हे स्टोन्स इथे अपस्ट्रीम साईडला टाकलेले आहेत. थिकनेस किती आहे? 1 मीटर. Total thickness is 1.3 meter, including this gravel filter thickness. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? स्टोन पिचिंग और स्टोन डंपिंग. या डायग्राम मध्ये सुद्धा दिलेलं इकडे. So see this slope protection on upstream side. See this. Just a minute. This is a upstream slope protection which is provided on entire upstream slope. Okay. This is stone pitching to avoid the erosion due to wave action. The stone pitching is provided on upstream side. It is also provided on downstream side. The thickness of dump rock should be about 1 meter and should be placed over a gravel filter of thickness 0.3 meter. Filter prevents the washing of fines from the dam into the riprap. Filter क्या prevent करते हैं? Washing of the fine materials from the dam. Erosion will be avoided. The provision of such dumped riprap has been found to be most effective and has been found to fail only in 5% cases. So this is more advantageous to prevent erosion of the soil. Stone pitching, hand packed riprap requires lesser thickness and may prove more economical if suitable rock is available only in limited quantity. So stone pitching is provided on upstream side. When provided in smaller thickness single layer, it is more susceptible to damage. If the thickness of stone pitching is less, then it is susceptible to failure of the dam. So due to this, it has been found that failure about 30% will that are occur due to provision of this single layer thickness, smaller thickness. Concrete slabs may also be laid over the upstream slope of the earthen dam. Such concrete slabs which are constructed, they must be laid over a filter, and weep holes should be provided so as to permit escape of the water, escape of the water when the reservoir is drawn on. So weep holes are provided for the escape of the water through that weep holes, which is provided in the concrete slabs. If the filter is not provided, the fines from the embankment may get washed away from the joints, creating hollows beneath the slab. म्हणजे filter जर provide केले नसेल तर काय होईल, the fines from the embankment may get washed away. The erosion of the soil may get takes place from the joints, creating hollows beneath the concrete slab. त्यामुळे काय होईल, cracks develop येतील, cracks may develop, and there may be failure of the slab under its own weight. Then concrete slab protections have been found to fail about 36% cases, because mainly because of non-providing of the filter below them. Filter जर provide केलं नसेल, there may be chances of 36% of the failure of the dam. So this concrete slab protection have been failed about 36% due to non-provision of the filter below this concrete slab. So this is the protection of upstream slope that is given in this image. In this image, the thickness is provided 1 meter, stone pitching thickness. Gravel filter is 0.3 meter. Below that, concrete toe wall is provided. Protection of the downstream slope. The downstream slope of the earthen dam is protected against the erosive action of waves up to slightly above the water depth in smaller manner, in the similar manner as explained in the protection of the upstream slope. So downstream slope is also protected against erosive action of the waves. The downstream slope should be protected against the erosive action of the rain. Due to rainfall, the erosion may take place. In that case, the horizontal berms are provided at suitable intervals, at 15-meter intervals, so as to intercept the rainwater and discharge it safely on downstream side. Also, grassing is provided. The plants are grown on upstream slopes on the downstream slope of the dam after construction to avoid the erosion. This is the slope protection for downstream slope. Samajla? This is a slope protection of the upstream slope and downstream slope. Samajla?